Welcome to Bike Insight, your trusted source for detailed and honest motorcycle reviews. Today, we dive into one of Honda's most anticipated adventure bikes, the 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650. This middleweight adventurer carries the legacy of the legendary Africa Twin but brings a more compact, agile, and affordable package for riders who crave both adventure and practicality. Design and styling. The 2026 Africa Twin 650 proudly carries Honda's rugged design DNA. With a tall stance, muscular fuel tank, and aggressive LED headlamps, it looks ready to conquer any terrain. The new blue and white color scheme with subtle red accents gives it a premium, rally-inspired appearance. The overall build quality, from the fairing to the frame welds, reflects Honda's signature attention to detail. Engine and performance. At the heart of this machine lies a 650 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned to deliver strong low-end torque and smooth power delivery. With around 75 horsepower, the bike offers a thrilling yet controlled performance, perfect for both highways and off-road trails. The refined throttle response, assisted slipper clutch, and optional DCT transmission make it versatile for every rider's preference. Technology and features. The 2026 model is loaded with smart features, a 6.5-inch TFT display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, multiple riding modes, traction control, and switchable ABS. Honda's focus on rider comfort continues with cruise control, heated grips, and a USB-C charging port, making it as capable on long journeys as it is on daily commutes. Suspension and handling. Honda has equipped the Africa Twin 650 with long travel shower suspension and a semi-double cradle frame, designed for stability and comfort. Whether you're tackling city potholes or rocky trails, the suspension absorbs it all with confidence. The high ground clearance and adjustable seat height further enhance its adventure readiness. Adventure capability. This is where the Africa Twin 650 truly shines. Lightweight compared to its 1,100 cubic centimeters sibling, it's more manageable off-road while still retaining serious adventure credentials. Whether it's a cross-country ride or a mountain trail, the 650 inspires confidence with its balance, traction, and predictable power. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650 is not just a smaller version of its big brother, it's a well-balanced adventure motorcycle that blends power, technology, and comfort in perfect harmony. For riders seeking the spirit of adventure without the bulk, this bike is a dream come true.